In Bridgerton Season 3, Lord Debling senses that Colin and Penelope have feelings for each other and leaves without proposing. But imagine this. He asks Penelope to marry him instead. Penelope, after years of pining for Colin, finally makes the pragmatic choice. She says yes to Lord Debling. But what happens next? Would it have been a good decision or a heartbreaking mistake? Let's analyze. First, let's talk about Penelope. If she had said yes, she would have gained security, respect, and a life away from the judgment of the tongue. Debling is kind, intelligent, and most importantly, willing to let her be independent. So, scenario 1. While Debling was away on his 3-year tour, Penelope could have continued to flourish in her writing career and managed his estate as Lady Debling. She would have finally commanded power and respect which she lacked in her mother's home. Penelope would have felt financially and socially secure after years of being a wallflower. But here's the problem. Penelope doesn't just want security, she wants love. And Debling, as wonderful as he is, was never going to give her the deep, passionate connection she secretly longs for. So, would she have been happy? Maybe on the surface, but not deep down. And here comes scenario 2. Penelope would be stuck in a marriage where she would be lonely and pining for love. She would always wonder if she could have had a love match with Colin. And that leads us to the real question. Colin's entire love story hinges on one thing: realizing what he feels for Penelope before it's too late. So, if she had actually gotten engaged to another man, would that have pushed him over the edge? Or would he have let her go? No. Colin would have gone totally unhinged and blamed himself for not realizing his feelings sooner. He would have begged Penelope to take him into her life, fought Debling, and done everything to stop the wedding from happening. A subtle approach would have been Penelope saying yes to Debling but then backing out, realizing she doesn't love him. But no, that would not have been fun. We needed to see Colin's alpha side here. We needed a dramatic last minute wedding interruption. Because let's face it, we love the drama. I think it would have been fun to watch the last minute twist in events where Colin would have barged into the chapel, professed his undying love for Penelope, and refused to let the wedding proceed. Penelope would have been shocked, but I'm sure she would have flung herself into Colin's arms and called off the wedding herself. Yes, we would have felt bad for poor Lord Debling, but he would have been better off without a wife who was clearly in love with someone else. And imagine the angst, tension, and pinnacle of such a scene. The Pauline fans would have been swooning for weeks, months, and years at the possibility that Colin, just took Penelope away from her wedding to another man. Crazy, but so, so romantic. And a true passionate romance just thrives off drama. Penelope saying yes to Lord Debling would have amplified Colin's jealousy and made Colin and Penelope's union more fervent and intense. Well, that's what I think. Now, I want to hear from you. Do you think Penelope should have said yes to marrying Debling? Would that have made her relationship with Colin more satisfying? Or do you like it the way it played out with Debling opting out himself? Let me know in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more such deep dives. Thank you.